Okay, so on this Dyson V10 we've actually got a filter blockage at the moment, so that light flashing there tells us there's a problem with the filter here. So if we try to start the machine, just pull the trigger. So if we remove the filter, we can see there is some dirt and debris there. So one cause can be a blocked filter or a dirty filter. Additional reason, the bin is not past the max line, but there is some blockage there within the cyclone, so we need to move that. We also need to take the machine apart and check the blockages in the wand. So we can see that that is clear. Take the other part of the wand off, and again there's some dirt there, but there's no blockages there. Get a stick if there is and remove. Just looking in there, there's no blockages. Now if we look in the head, we can see that that's blocked up. So if we remove that, there's a good chance that the problem will resolve itself. Again, just get a stick and see how you go. Now when you come to your head, get a coin, remove the sides of these, because fluff will build up on the sides there, and that will cause damage to your brush bar or possibly damage your motor. So just get some tweezers, a wet wipe, don't wet the motor, and remove that and see how you go from there. So if we plug this back into here now, I'll give this a go. We've still got a blockage, so we'll try to empty the bin. And we can actually see that there's a blockage in the entry there. So let's clear that. Still really full, so that's where the problem's coming from. Bear with me. So I'm just removing all that now. All kinds of debris and dirt in there. So your machine is going to pulse because the airways are blocked and the machine cannot work properly. You might have to take your bin off as well, so just with the red arrow there, flick it down. Also, crucially, give your machine a tap. You can just see lots of that fine dust coming off there. Tap your cyclone, tap your filter, wear a mask ideally, we'll do it outside. Now we're going to put the bin back on. I'm going to go and give that a try. So again, you can see the dirt there. So let's just try the head from the halfway point. Filter isn't connected, so the light is on there, so we just have to twist that properly into place. Now let's give it a go. And there we go, the machine is working once again. So just as a recap, check the blockages in the wand, near your cyclone entry point, check your bin isn't over full, check your filters clean and not dirty, check your heads for blockages near the opening point and also at the side of the head. Happy vacuum.